In today's video, I will teach you how to create a yearbook-style portrait using AI. Let's get started. Yearbook photos are classic, formal portraits that freeze a moment in time. But what if you missed out, or just want to see yourself in a totally different style? With Fotor's Face Swap tool, you can generate realistic yearbook-style portraits by placing your face into high school photo templates using AI. To do this, visit the Fotor Face Swap page, and you'll be presented with two options. Swap one face, which is good for portraits like yearbook photos, or swap multiple faces for group photos. For this tutorial, you can choose the one face swap, which is the default mode. Under the Upload Face Image section, upload a photo of the person whose face you want to appear in the yearbook portrait. For best results, make sure to use a clear front-facing photo with good lighting and no obstructions like glasses or hair in front of the face. And here you have two options. You can upload your own yearbook-style target image by going to the Upload Target Image and add a yearbook-style portrait where you want your face to be placed. The second option is using a Fotor yearbook template. To do this, scroll down to the bottom of the editor and click See All to open the target image gallery. At the top, select the yearbook category. Then scroll through the options and choose a portrait that fits your style. And once both your face and the target yearbook image are uploaded, click the swap button. But take note that each face swap uses 2 credits, but Fotor offers 10 free credits per day for non-subscribers. Now click the compare button at the bottom right to see the before and after versions, and you'll instantly see your face blended into the yearbook portrait. Now hover your cursor over the generated image, then click the edit icon at the top left if you want to fine-tune the result using Fotor's photo editor. And once you're satisfied, you can click download to save your new yearbook-style portrait. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.